News. Headlines. The Times of India. After ED raids, BRS MLC 𝐄𝐥𝐞𝐜𝐭𝐢𝐨𝐬 brought to Delhi for questioning. 1 hour ago. NDTV. BRS 𝐄𝐥𝐞𝐜𝐿 arrested after raids over Delhi liquor policy case. 10 minutes ago. Hindustan Times. 𝐄𝐥𝐞𝐜𝐿 arrested by ED in Delhi liquor case after raid at Hyderabad residence. 1 hour ago. Mint. ED arrests KCR's daughter 𝐄𝐥𝐜𝐿 after raids in Delhi liquor policy scam case. 1 hour ago. Sayantani Bishwas B. Sayantani Bishwas. Business Today. KCR's daughter 𝐄𝐥𝐜𝐿 arrested by probe agency in Delhi liquor policy case. 33 minutes ago. Mint. Electoral bonds data updates. Reliance denies link to third largest donor quick supply. Mint. 39 minutes ago. NDTV. Supreme Court wraps SBI for not sharing complete data on electoral bonds. 5 hours ago. Abhimanyu Kulkarni B. Abhimanyu Kulkarni. The Guardian. Narendra Modi's BJP given £570 million under scheme allowing anonymous donations. 50 minutes ago. Hannah Ellis Patterson B. Hannah Ellis Peterson. The Indian Express. After Centre alerted states on his fraud in 2019, donor number 1 Santiago Martin went on electoral bonds buying spree. 4 hours ago. Ritu Sarinbi Ritu Saran. Law Indian Legal News. Disclosure affects corporate donors. SCBA President Adish Agarwala writes to CJI seeking Suomotu. 4 hours ago. Ostika Dasby Ostika Das. Hindustan Times. CAA True Act of Democracy. US singer Mary Milburn lauds PM Modi's leadership. 3 hours ago. Manjari Chitribi Manjari Chitre. The Times of India. Misplaced, misinformed, unwarranted. India on US reaction on CAA. 4 hours ago. Law Indian Legal News. CAA's discriminatory nature, explaining with the of a Supreme Court case. 23 hours ago. Manu Sebastian B. Manu Sebastian. The Hindu. Wrong messaging on the Citizenship Amendment Act, 2019. Opinion yesterday. Theprint. Indian Muslims should welcome CAA, question those peddling false narratives about it. Opinion 11 hours ago. Amana Bagambi Amana Begum. The Hindu. Election Commission of India to announce poll schedule on March 16. 1 hour ago. Hindustan Times. Lok Sabha election date live. ECI to announce schedule tomorrow. 1 hour ago. First post. Lok Sabha elections. How did the model code of conduct originate? 28 minutes ago. The Times of India. Poll date announcement. EC to announce Lok Sabha election schedule tomorrow. 6 hours ago. Times Now. Lok Sabha elections. When will model code of conduct come into effect or what will change? 42 minutes ago. NDTV. 5 facts about Sukhbir Singh Sandhu, appointed as election commissioner. Yesterday. The Hindu. New election commissioners take charge. 26 minutes ago. Hindustan Times. Poll commissioners appointed. ECI set to announce LS poll schedule. 9 hours ago. SAUBHADRA Chatterjee B. SAUBHADRA Chatterjee. The Times of India. Was given list of 212 names 12 hours before meeting, says Congress leader Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary terming ache. 14 hours ago. Indian Mandarins. Reading between the lines BATCHMATES to compete to become CEC. 1 hour ago. India Today. Madras High Court allows PM Modi's roadshow in Coimbatore after states no. 57 minutes ago. Shilpa Nair Shilpa Nair. NDTV. PM's Coimbatore roadshow cleared by court after police deny permission. 59 minutes ago. Chandrasekhar Srinivasan and J. Sam Daniel Stalin B. Chandrasekhar Srinivasan and J. Sam Daniel Stalin. The Hindu. PM Modi roadshow in Coimbatore. Madras High Court waves green flag. 54 minutes ago. Mohammad Imranullah B. Mohammad Imranullah. Deccan Herald. BJP moves Madras HC over denial of permission for PM's roadshow in Coimbatore. 3 hours ago. The Times of India. Madras High Court directs Coimbatore police to give permission for Modi's roadshow. 1 hour ago. For you. Recommended based on your interests. Hindustan Times. What does electoral bond data published by the ECI tell us? 12 hours ago. Mint. Electoral bonds data. Reliance denies link to third largest donor quick supply. 56 minutes ago. The Quint. Electoral bonds. Before 2019 state polls, 72% went to BJP, who were the donors. 29 minutes ago. Himanshi Dahiya. Mint. Stock market today. Bhil, Piramal Enterprises sale among 9 stocks under F&O ban list today. Mint. 13 hours ago. Money control. F&O watch for March 15th. Bhil enters the NSE ban list. Z may exit. 13 hours ago. Z Business. F&O ban update. These stocks under F&O ban list today, the 14th of March 2024. Z Business. Yesterday. Akwati Pandit. Stocks under F&O ban. Bhil, RBL Bank, Tata Chemicals, and others. 10 hours ago. Indian Foline. 9 stocks on NSE F&O ban today, includes Nalco or Piramal Enterprises India Infoline. 2 days ago. The Economic Times. F&O ban list, Tata Chemicals, sale and 3 more stocks under trade ban on Monday. 4 days ago. Shivendra Kumar. Money control. F&O watch for March 14th. RBL Bank enters NSE ban list. Hind Copper likely to exit. Yesterday. Koreabu. Controversial streamer threatens to slap a BTS member on his upcoming South Korea trip. 21 hours ago. Hindustan Times. China fastest in replacing workers with robots, US think tank says, only a matter of time when. Yesterday. Suggested for you. Top stories of the day. ED arrests 𝐵RSMLCK after raids in connection with Dell. India. Madras HC grants permission to PM Modi's roadshow. Chennai. Misplaced. India reacts strongly to US remarks on CAA. India. Showcase. 15 minutes ago. Top news update. 𝐄𝐥𝐞𝐜 arrested after ED raid being brought to capital. Delhi liquor policy case. TMC leaders Arjun Singh, Dibyendu Adhikari join BJP. Lok Sabha election 2024. Jaral thanks Gavaskar for comparing. But Dhoni is a legend. Ind vs Eng Test Series. Showcase. 39 minutes ago. Top headlines of the day. A $2 billion airport will test Modi's mission, Adani's ambitions. The Navi challenge. SC issues notice to SBI on poll bonds. Is there more to reveal? Electoral bonds saga. India cuts import taxes in new EV policy in boost to Tesla entry. Manufacturing dreams. Showcase. 34 minutes ago. Reviews. Yodha review. You won't emerge unscathed from this movie. Film. Murder Mubarak review. A delightful whodunit. Film. Buster the Naxal story review. Watching this is beyond terrible. Film. Showcase. 4 hours ago. News of the hour. India's Q3 GDP numbers are absolutely mystifying. Subramanian. Economy. India opens doors for global EV makers scheme to help Tesla. Industry. Electoral bonds. FM says party funding system needs transparency. Politics. Showcase. 2 hours ago. What's buzzing in news today? BRS leader 𝐄𝐥𝐞𝐜 taken into custody by ED in connection W. India. Lectures by those having limited idea of India's post-party. India. Reliance linked quick supply third largest electoral bond buy. India. Showcase. 53 minutes ago. Morning News Digest. RBI may move some NBFCs to the top layer this year. NBFCs upgrade. Bedtime woes, the great Indian sleep deficit. Sleep scorecard. IT debt busts network of money changers in GST/ITC scam. Tax fraud. Showcase. 10 hours ago. Deccan Chronicle. 𝐄𝐥𝐞𝐜 arrested by ED in Delhi liquor scam. News. Kovind panel recommends simultaneous polls common electoral roll. Current affairs. Jagan accuses TD of making false promises again. Politics. Showcase. 6 minutes ago. India. News 18. Doctor clarifies confusion over Mamta's fall, says it was sensation of pushing from behind. 3 hours ago. Aditi Ray Chaudhary. The Hindu. West Bengal CM Mamta Banerjee suffers injury after fall at residence. 22 hours ago. Shiv Sahai. The Indian Express. Kolkata police launch probe after CM Mamta Banerjee suffers head injury, security heightened at CM's residence. 6 hours ago. Atri Mitra. Deccan Herald. Doctor clarifies confusion over Mamta's fall, says it was sensation of pushing from behind. 4 hours ago. Hindustan Times. BJP questions how Mamata Banerjee fell in her house after doctor's clarification. 3 hours ago. Mint. TMC MPs Dibyendu Adhikari, Arjun Singh joined BJP ahead of Lok Sabha election 2024. Mint. 2 hours ago. The Times of India. MPs Dibyendu Adhikari, Arjun Singh deal blow to Trinamool, joined BJP ahead of Lok Sabha elections. 2 hours ago. News 18. Lok Sabha election 2024 live. TMC leaders Arjun Singh, Dibyendu Adhikari joined BJP, Pashupati Paras announce. 1 hour ago. Mahima Joshi. Telegraph India. Trinamool Congress MPs Arjun Singh, Dibyendu Adhikari joined BJP. 1 hour ago. The Indian Express. I am joining BJP, TMC Barakpur MP Arjun Singh set to jump ship for the 4th time. Yesterday. Sweetie Kumari. For you top stories localing. Top stories. For you. Ing. News Showcase. Saved searches. India. World. Your local news. Business. Technology. Entertainment. Sports. Science. Health. Language or region English India. Send feedback.